Welcome back, guys. So we were solving the question 40 here, and today we are going to talk about the part C here. Okay, so the part C here is we have A prime BC plus BC complement plus A BC plus BC complement. Okay, so we have here, in order to go further, what we have to do, multiplying it with all the terms inside this bracket and this one here as well. What I will get here, I will get A complement BC plus A complement BC complement. Okay, similarly here ABC, okay, and here AB C complement. Okay, so we have got these terms which are the SOP terms. So in order to find the binary values for them, what I will have to do, I will have to write here the binary term. So here this is the complementary term. For the first term here, the binary term I will have will be 0 1 1. For the second term here, I will have 1 1 0. Okay, for this term I will have 1 1 1, and for this term I will have 1 1 0. Okay, so these are the binary terms for my SOP terms which are in this expression. Okay, so what I will have to do, I will have to draw the Karnaugh map here as well. So this is the Karnaugh map. Okay, and here I have A, B, and here C. Okay, so after it, let me write the binary values for them. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, while for it I will have 0 and 1. Okay, so after it, let me draw all the cells here. Okay, so these are the cells, and now writing all the values for which I have here the 1. So this is 0 1 1. So for 0 1 1, the 1 will be here. Okay, the second one is 1 1 0. So 1 1 0 is here. Okay, the third one is 1 1 1. This one is here, and the fourth one is 1 1 0. Sorry, I have made a mistake here, and this was basically the A complement. Okay, so when this was the A complement, I would have here 0 1 1. Okay, so it was 0 1 0. So for 0 1 0, I will have here. Okay, so this is 1. So these are the actual binary value, because due to this mistake we have made a mistake here. Okay, so what are the groups here? We can see that here we have a group of 4 bits here, and this is here. Okay, we can very easily see that this is a group of 4, and all the other terms here are zeros. Okay, only we have a single group which is composed of these 4, and we can very easily see that the only thing which remains here the same or constant is this B. So therefore we get this B. So therefore the simplified term here is, for it is this B, and this is basically the simplified value for this question, and this is the answer. Okay, so for part B, this is the answer. Now similarly, solving part D here, we have all the terms which are mentioned here. So I have A complement, B complement, C complement plus A B complement, C complement plus A complement, B C complement plus A B C complement. Okay, so these are the values, and from it I can very easily deduct the binary values for them. So the first one will be 0 0 0, second one here will be 1 0 0, this will be 0 1 0. Okay, and for the last one I will have 1 1 0. Okay, so now for it, let me draw the Karnaugh map for it. So Karnaugh map for the 3 variables again. Okay, so here I will have A B and here C. Okay, now also writing the values. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, and here I will have 0 and 1. Okay, so now writing them this and this here as well. Now writing these binary values for all the terms which are mentioned here. So writing 1 for the first term, so that is 0 0 0. For 1 0 0 I will have here, okay. For 0 1 0 I will have here, okay, and for 1 1 0 these terms will be here, while the other will remain 0. Okay. So therefore now taking these 4 terms, and we can see that these are making a group of 4, where the only constant term is this C. So this is the C complement, which is constant here. So therefore the answer or the simplified value for this question is this C complement, and this is also the answer of my part D here. Okay. So we have seen that how to simplify the SOP expressions by using the Karnaugh map in this question, and I hope you have understood all the steps which we have followed here, and I will also solve some more questions related to this concept in our upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself